From Waterbury is mourning the death of their mother. She is one of 52 flu-related deaths in Connecticut.
Yeah, they say they're telling their story in the hopes that others will take the flu more seriously. News 8's Bob Wilson talked to that family tonight. He joins us now live with more. Bob?
Yeah, and here's the weird part. They say their mother, 62 years old, in good shape, healthy. So when she got the flu, they really didn't think much about it. She came down with symptoms until they intensified, ramped up, and she passed away within hours.
Chills, cough, just general symptoms of a flu, not feeling too well.
Cecilia Forget came down with the flu last week. Her family says she was 62 years old, healthy and in good shape. That is until Thursday night.
She was tired. She felt a little dizzy. She just wanted to lay down. I made her tea, soup, just like anyone else when they have a cold. I never would have thought.
Then about 3:30 in the middle of the morning on Friday, their mother called out for help, gasping for air. The family called 911 for an ambulance.
Hyperventilating, just breathing straight from her mouth. She couldn't move, just totally limp.
On the way to the hospital, they pulled right over down the street, and I saw them give her CPR, and my heart just stopped, and I knew something wasn't right.
About 4 o'clock, they pronounced her dead before she made it to the hospital.
The Forget family is telling their story tonight in hopes that other people will take the flu more seriously and seek help, especially if the symptoms ramp up rapidly.
As healthy as she was, dead in the blink of an eye. It was just ridiculous.
So the CDC in Atlanta puts out nationwide rankings on exactly where Connecticut would fall. It's 1 is the minimal amount, 10 is the highest, and Connecticut is a 9 out of 10. And the Department of Public Health today had a news conference echoing that, saying it's one of the worst flu seasons in recent memory.
Physicians are reporting that patients, the disease advances rapidly, and people get very ill very quick.
And just to let you know how the deaths are going, there were 20 deaths in the last week. That doubled the number from the week before, and they say this is going to be a long flu season going into April. So wash the hands, don't touch the face, stay home if you're sick, get the flu shot. I'm Bob Wilson reporting live in Hartford, News 8.